46K?
Para window yun na sa.
Ah, really? Thank you. Gonna be by the window for 6K. Sorry. I want to go back. The back. 46K, that's really big. Yeah, this is window rin pala ako, girl, pero wala akong window. I don't have a window. This is window seat, but I don't have a window. See? Wala naman. Okay. Set up na muna tayo. Ayan na tayo. Okay. Mas maluwag. Ito sa Cathay Pacific. Ayan. Okay. Settle muna tayo. Ay. Dali lang. Yes, naka for divas. I'm already in 46K. It's window seat. Pero I don't have a window. Wala lang. Akala ko window seat. Pero I don't have a window. Yun lang. Ang ganun ang Cathay Pacific. 46K. Pero walang window. Walang window. It's all pader. No? So, settle na tayo. Pasok na tayo dito. And yep. It's around 1 hour and 45 minutes from Manila to from Hong Kong to Manila. And ayun na, it's really good. Manila. So, tired. Wala pang tulog. After ng engagement namin here, wala pang tulog. And yep. I hope I can sleep for another 2 hours. Lumapat ng Pilipinas. Para mukhang fresh naman tayo. So, yes, I'll see you in a few hours. Bye now.
2 hours later.
Hi mga Forgivers! I'm finally here in Manila. So, we had a pleasant flight. Unfortunately, wala masyadong options for the snack or meal. We have like the beef stew with rice and water. Nakatulog na ako. Hindi ko na nakuha yung aking Coca-Cola. And then, what else? The flight 6919 from Hong Kong to Manila. Okay naman siya, pero wala lang talagang options for food. Pero okay naman. We landed safely here in Manila. So, okay. Okay naman ang flight. Yun naman importante. Then, that's it, folks. Dito nagtatapos ang aking Hong Kong adventure. And I'll see you on my next journey. So, take care, everyone. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!
Much later.
Yes, mga Forgivers, nandito na ako sa pick-up parking area ng Naiya Terminal 3 for Grab. So, I'm just waiting for my Grab car na maghati sa akin sa bahay. So, yun, mabilis lang naman pero sobrang traffic lang dito. Siyempre, to pick up din yung mga pasahero.
A few moments later.
Makikita ko na si Kuya. Okay. Dito na lang. Saan? Dito na lang? Dito na lang. Ayan na si Kuya. Park pa siya talaga doon. Sige po. Yan na lang. Isa tayo para mabilis. Hello po, Kuya. Thank you. Pasok na tayo, guys. Okay. Wow, naka-Montero tayo ngayon, ha. Okay.
Hello po.
Hello po, good afternoon. Yes. Yes. Let's go. Di pa first time ako naka-encounter ng Montero yung Grab. Wow. Mabilis naman siya pero yung queuing lang talaga, no? Sa labas medyo ano lang dito sa Terminal 3. Ay, okay. Sige, teka, parang medyo naka-align yung ano. Ano ba yan? Okay, never mind. Okay, I'm safely back home.